My name is Courtney Prock for Office of Emergency Management. So the purpose of Office of Emergency Management is preparedness, planning, and we also are reactive to disasters. We help support local jurisdictions that are requesting our support.
This is a test from Pinal Emergency Notification System.
PINS is Pinal Emergency Notification System. It is a system where we can notify the public of any emergencies. At the click of a button, everybody will get the notification via text, phone, or email, however they subscribe to PINS. To register for PINS, you will go to pinal.gov, and if you scroll to the bottom of the page, it has a Pinal Emergency Notification sign up if you click on that link. So you will type in your email address and then you add your phone number and you will create a password. Click on I'm not a robot and register. Here you will fill out your information. You get to choose your language of how you would like the notifications. If you do choose to have a text, you make sure that that is checked. Please make sure you enter your address. This way we can send you any notifications of emergencies in your area. If you have a special need, if you are being evacuated or need more information, please make sure that you check any of these. This is optional. You do not have to check any of these. Once your account information is correct, you can click on the notifications and you can choose here how you want to receive the notifications. If you do not want one, you will just uncheck it and hit update. Here also is information on what you would like to receive. If you want to receive notifications for everything, you can click it here. You are able to pick and choose what you want to receive notifications for where you live. If you are in a territory, where you have to be careful if there's going to be a fire, you can put fire weather watch. If you are only in the lower desert and want to know about floods and dust storm warnings, you can choose those. Once they're chosen, you just update. But this is all up to you and how you choose to get notifications and what you get notified for. So the advantage of having PINS is you get to know what is going on in your community. If there is an emergency or something very important going on in your community, you're going to be notified right away. So for example, if there was a flooding event, we can draw on the map, we can geofence an area of what area needs to be notified and they will get it immediately. And we can pinpoint down to a street, a house if we needed to notify these citizens. Check your address to make sure it is correct. This way you will get all notifications affecting your community. PINS is a very valuable tool for the citizens of Pinal County. These messages that are crafted that go out to the citizens are directly from an elected official or a director that is trying to get the message out to the citizens. They're always very, very important information we're trying to get to the public.